Brothers and sisters, I want to testify about a fundamental law. Full man kicks it with a massive funk groove. That's right. Lost a little less than you thought you would. You call that news, you think that's good. You face one trial, was misunderstood. Honey, that's a story for the neighborhood. You put a single coin inside a digital vault. Now you're looking at me like it's all my fault. Ha! You must be new to this game, 'cause every time the ending is the same. Go on and fly, baby, reach for the stars. Go tell your story in a million bars. But there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so don't you even try. Oh, gravity,
Pulling you down,
oh, gravity.
back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. All the believers, they're holding on tight, staring at the green with all of their might. Your chart looks like a supernova in the sky, a beautiful explosion, but we all know why. It's the final flash before it fades to black. A one-way ticket and there's no coming back. Not all night, baby, put on a show. Go on and glow, baby, everybody knows that there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so wave it on goodbye. Oh, gravity,
Pulling you down,
oh, gravity.
back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down,
sing it, gravity.
back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down,
sing it, gravity.
back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. What goes up?
Must come down,
Yeah, what goes up?
must come down.
Oh, I feel it pulling down, 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 down. Oh, that sweet, sweet gravity.
Alright, place your bets, folks. I already know my hand. They're going all in on a pocket full of air, a flashy press release and a wing and a prayer. Think they got a royal flush, a can't miss thing, pushing that stock up, listen to the choir sing. But I'm on my second beer, ain't even worried none. This high stakes gamble's already been won. Go on and push your chips, I kinda love the show. Higher and higher, baby, let the good times roll. But every party's got an end, and when the music's thin, that's when they all realize the trouble they're in. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, color's the prettiest I've ever seen. Cause I don't need a rocket, I don't need a peak. My bread and butter is a company that's looking weak. The lower that it goes, the bigger that I grin, watching all my pretty little winnings rolling in. Go on and cheer it on, I wanna see the height. Yeah, light it up, baby, make it burn real bright. Cause the brighter that it burns, the faster it'll fade. And that's the foundation of the trades I've made. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. It ain't about the glory, it ain't about the fame. It's about knowing the rules to a different kind of game. While they're all looking up, my eyes are looking down. Cause that's where the real treasure in this town is found. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. King of the dip, yeah, they can have the peak. I'll take the valley every time. You know the steps. Ha, let's get it. 6 a.m. the coffee's hot and brewing. Scanner's light is cutting through the ruin. Found the one, that diamond in the rough. What's on the crypto treasury? Ain't that funny stuff? They're buying in, they think they struck some gold. About to watch the greatest story ever sold. The volume's pumping so loud and clear, but I hear a different rhythm in my ear. And oh, I see it climbing, what a scene. 1,000 buyers glued up to the screen. But I ain't sweating, nah, I'm cool and calm. Cause the DJ's about to play my favorite song. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. The fadeaway funk. The FOMO's kick and see them lose their heads. Believe in every single word that's said. Our earnings call a wild success. It just means the company's a slightly smaller mess. I find my entry clean and so precise. Don't have to think it over, don't have to check it twice. Cause I've seen this movie, baby, and I know the end. Here comes the final scene, my friend. Oh, I see you topping out, what a view. The panic setting in for the whole darn crew. But I ain't selling, baby, I'm just getting warm. Cause this is just the quiet before the storm. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Some people call it gambling, say it's just a guess. But this ain't random, baby, this is chess. It's a rhythm, it's a beat that I can feel. The pump is the illusion, but the fade is real. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Come on, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Oh, the fade away, funky bassline and harsh, come down, now down. Yeah, that's the one, just like that. Fade away funk.
Woo! Fadeaway funk. Guys, there are a lot of fadeaway funks this morning. A lot of tickers are fading. A lot of crazy pump action out here in the market as well. We're seeing huge moves, irrationality at its finest, but we got to stay rational in the irrationality. The amateurs, what do they do, guys? They need a trade. They need a trade at all times. Professionals, what do? We need the trade. We need the right setup, the right play. So let's talk about the right plays today with our boy, Mr. Fades. How we doing this morning, Fades?
Good morning, Green Team. It's a great day. We got the challenge today. I just logged in my portal. I'm now a 50K funded trader. I'm live.
Oh,
And today's a great day, guys. Let's get it.
wow, they
Yesterday
got
was
through it.
awesome. Yeah, we have. Yeah, it's been a good
Dude,
week. Good week, guys.
congratulations, man. You got the 25 funded, the 50 funded.
Yeah, that's a good feeling. So I'm definitely ready to sit back and chill. Unfortunately, this market is screaming at me, man. There's so much going on. Oh my god. So yeah, I was telling you, I didn't get up
Don't need
too
that
early.
100K funded, 200K funded.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this is the type of market where you get on an eval and you gas it, right? Like, and I've seen that over the past few months. We have these waves of volatility, and guys, as shorts, when we're seeing multiple stocks going up hundreds of percent, that only means one thing: there will be a lot of meat to pick eventually. It's all about, just like we talked about, having that discipline to not get, blow up front side, right? And that's really the name of the game, is not not getting ran over by the train, right, and milking on the way back down. So I'm actually in UPC short right now, and XBio is on elevator watch. XBio, guys, looking like it's about to.
Yeah. I was monitoring that too, but pretty much like you just said. I mean, you with XBIO, like my traditional train of thought would have been, we're way off, we're 100% off the highs. I can't get involved here, but then your way of looking at it is, well, we're still up multiple hundreds of percent from the close. I mean,
Yeah. So I'm looking at,
Right.
yeah, it's at a really interesting level what it's doing. Um, it's definitely do or die zone right here, guys. But since it's the king of the day, or one of them, it might chop around a bit. It's on elevator watch, but at the same time, this could be consolidation, and the Warriors could start to get it going. I'm looking at the 1 minute candle though. I'm seeing like three trickling 1 minutes now. So let's see. That's an interesting chart. UPC was a great fader. Worked that well and still working it. That one's been great. And then that Aton has been the king of the day that chopped out a good bit. Yeah, we had
just double topped up there.
a lot of spikes this morning. But if you look at the smaller time frame on the spikes, it was actually pretty clean action. Not as much manipulation early morning. Just the fact that these stocks gave 400-500% runs before they actually faded. But when I zoomed into the smaller time frames, the price action was cleaner though. Like if you were up and you managed your risk, like you should have been able to really clean up on this trade. So
Dude, like getting involved front side on something like this, so dangerous. ATOM, just making sure, like managing that risk well. I think we discussed that yesterday and this morning. Like, if we just play good defense, man, the offense takes care of itself, because we know that's been what's pivotal for me.
oh yeah, it really is. That's the game changer, and I know that's the
Yeah.
game changer for my trading, because
Yeah,
yesterday, like I was able to bring in a couple $1,000s on the day, guys. And it's like, if I can just limit my losses to 500, or maybe if I'm getting real bigger size, maybe $1,000, because that's something I was talking about with Kevin. I actually wanted them to bring my max loss down on the day on the 50K to like 500 to be more conservative. I love that idea. Unfortunately, they only do that for your evals, I believe. They don't allow that for funded trading, but that's fine, because what does that mean? It means I have to be more rigid with with myself. I can't rely on the bot to stop me out. So what am I going to do? I'm going to hit it real conservative now on that 50K, and just focus on the bigger picture now.
yeah, man. Your multiple payouts are coming, man. You're gonna be working the 25, 50.
Yeah, I know I'm overwhelmed. I'm like, I got evals, I got these funded accounts, I got the competition. It's like the market's hot. I'm like,
It's a good place to be.
I need to relax. I need to relax. Practice what I preach.
I wanna, I wanna work on this is, but certainly I want to get involved with this competition because there's a lot of places to snack happy. Apparently, $1 million is essentially your drawdown on the day and max loss on the day. So here we can go.
Yeah,
Hammer time, get that full degeneracy out of my system.
yeah, it
I
really
got
is.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. But yeah, I'm looking to have a couple decent trades on the funded, and then get to work on that competition. I'm ready because again, the top two there get 100,000 evals, and then a few after that get the 50,000 evals, and then after that, it's the 25, and trickles down
Mhm.
from there. But yeah, Uzo saying congrats. I mean, that's incredible. Fades,
Thank you.
you're among the 10%. Now what do we gotta do? We gotta stay among the 10%.
Yeah, no more degeneracy. Only degenerate on the eval and the competition. You guys are gonna see me size small now. I've been ambitious, like getting these accounts funded, and I've also carried that ambition into a funded account and messed up. So I just have to, set those kind of training wheels, those guardrails for myself, and really just humble up and size down and really practice what I preach and do what Kevin's been doing. Kevin's been doing great, respecting max loss days, keeping those paper cuts, and then just slow and steady hitting his Q or a little over most days. And that's how you
Yeah.
win. Scale from there. It's really that simple. Like,
I mean, I think my problem is pretty much your problem too. It's like we have a winning system. Just please control the red days. Like that's my problem, and I know for you too. It's just like, man, just those red days, just control them, and then revisit the next day, and we're good.
yeah,
Uh,
100%.
so this morning's been wild, man. It's been the wild, wild west out here.
Yeah, I'm looking at XBio. I was just trading an eval this morning because this market the volatility has been a little scary, but I think I'm just gonna set my stop for XBio and kind of zoom out here because it's getting closer to bell.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
yesterday we had a lot of like fresh backside plays, right? Like I talk about like the hangover, like the quick hangovers, like the party happened and then like the hangover is instant, right? We had that with like Koch. Oh my God, Koch. GLTO was just a beautiful trade yesterday. ZNB, that thing faded, kept fading. CIS, all of those are down 30 something percent on the day. Former runners yesterday, right? So like
Yeah.
the hyper hangovers worked out really well yesterday. Like that theme of we talked about, like the pumps kind of giving it up. There's been some strong pumps, but they're giving it up on the backside. So I mean, we love to see it. Just gotta be aware and manage risk these volatile times.
It's just what hangovers do we have today is kind of the question,
Mhm.
right? Because a lot of these plays have given up, a lot already.
Exactly. Yeah, so my list, I already went through a list and kind of did some DD. Yeah, I mean it's a big gap in the
What you got?
hangovers.
I'll flip through them.
So let's see, NUAI could still be potential. That one's slower though, slower. ULY, ULY. Is that okay? That's probably not.
Yeah, give us back to its base.
DFly is still in play. That thing's still sleepy.
I like it. Yeah. Yeah, look at the head and shoulders here. I mean,
Yeah.
it's pretty much
Mhm.
gorgeous.
Yeah, that looks like a good one, especially on the funded. We're not worried about volume. You guys probably, well, it has 1 million in volume right now. Let's see. Wolf is still that thing's still just hanging around. I don't know.
I think it's off the watch list for me. Like,
it's weird.
so Noss brought up the chart, and apparently this big day is not even on his chart. Like they completely reconstructed their finance and so essentially they're priced right now at what they're priced like what they were
Yeah.
priced at. So it's
Yeah,
not
it's
really
something
a
weird they did
hangover.
there.
It's just
Yeah.
so
Let's see. What was the other one I had that was up 1,000%? Oh, we still can't trade that former runner.
yeah, I did take a look.
That would have
this
been a
morning.
great one on the eve or on the challenge.
SPRB. Dude,
Yeah.
this thing's up from 7 to still $142.
Yeah, that was like the perfect degenerate play on the competition.
What's that play that went in the T12?
Uzo said
Probably.
CRML, the QMMM.
Oh yeah. Is that one? That one
CRML. So I've been talking about that theme. It's just sketchy, like the Trump
the
government,
medals.
that
It's
kind of
just tough.
theme. Like
Yeah.
it's and TMQ showed that, right? Like I know Fall was milking the short a little bit, but I hope he was safe on that because I did notice it ended up getting wiki and reclaiming and all that. So that's why I was kind of just like had that eye. That was my analysis that it wasn't going to give it up like we wanted. So careful with those plays. XBio dumping, guys. XBio breaking a key level.
It's right at 1250. Looks like the area needs to crack under. It's testing it out right now.
Yeah, let's see if this is like a kind of a trap or if it's going to break down. UPC, I covered everything there. That was a beautiful fade, man. What a
Did you
trade.
see RNAS as well? From 12 to 32, sitting at about 20 right now.
I didn't. Let me
Yep.
throw that one down. And Cure, what's that Cure one doing? That was another one.
Oh, yeah, she like climbed all the way up and I don't, dude. So QURE had the higher short interest. Do you remember they had like positive phase 2 trials and they just have not been profit taking at all.
See, that's the thing. I feel like that's the trend we're seeing with these plays. Like, especially the past few days, the hangovers haven't seemed to be as fruitful. Like, the market seems pretty strong. Like, the pumps are pumping really hard. The hangovers are either
Yeah,
like,
but then look at something like this, like MYNZ. This thing came out with like
oh,
good
man.
results, and now they're below their previous close.
Yeah, those when you get involved with something like that and they like hyper pump and then they dump below, that is just
That's
those are
painful
just,
for those longs, dude.
yeah.
I will say,
those
I mean,
they're rare, but you will see that happen.
guys,
Bio dumping, guys.
I don't like to talk about like other rooms, that's beneath me. But I will say this because people have been losing their A's like the last few days.
Mm-hmm.
For the love of God, like, please just, if you're chasing a ticker that's up like 1,000% and going all in with your sizing at highs, for
Yeah.
the love of God, like, please just, like, the analysis shouldn't be I'm following this guru. Like, know your stop.
right.
Like, of course, the irrationality can continue higher, but please, for the love of God, just, it's like your stop essentially should be your entry price if you're chasing something like that.
Yeah. And
I
Mhm.
just
Seriously.
hate to see it. I hate to see so many people getting wrecked. Like this last week, of course, there's been such an increase in volatility, which has created like, it's just the opportunity has been present and people see that. And that's why we're seeing these up and down moves like we are, because people are just trading this irrationality and going heavy. It's dangerous. And we've seen that. A lot of blowups. I've seen a lot of people losing a ton of money, but guys, just stay disciplined. Stay disciplined in this market, please. Know your risk.
Yeah, you put it really well with like the squirrely longs, exactly. And just like, I talked about with the metal plays and stuff, how we're kind of avoiding. It's like, as a long, you got to know the news too, like, and the theme. And just because, like, if a stock is pumping several 100% on no news, it's like, that is not, you don't kid yourself. Like, that's not a good setup. Like, it's not, you don't even know the fundamentals behind it. Like, the rug pull could come at any point. And it's just like, yeah, I can't believe chasing, like, God, it's just.
Look, we all at times can have a lapse in judgment and make a mistake, but it's certainly like that's human nature. We can make mistakes, but just we have got, when we enter the trade, we have got to know exactly where our exit is
Mm-hmm.
when we get into something. If
Yeah,
you
'cause
don't,
otherwise it's
you're
fun.
gambling.
And literally, if not, you're gambling. Yeah, it's just it's
Yeah.
that simple. It really is. You don't
It's
need
not
to
sexy
overcomplicate
talk,
it.
but I mean, we protect people from blowing up in here. That's what we do.
And it's
All
not
right.
like you have to sit there and write down or formulate. Okay, at this tick, I'm going to lose this much. But you got to have a game plan though. Like I
Mhm.
talked about, like if you have a max loss of like $50 to $75 a trade or something, like set that parameter, figure out some kind of guardrails, and kind of give yourself Um,
Yes, absolutely, 100%. NXL is one that's holding up fades for 94 cents to about $2 right now. They
Okay.
came out with 8:30 news. They announced positive clinical results in their Alzheimer's disease
CRMLD break.
neurostimulation device. Okay, NXL.
Yeah, interesting. Okay. Is that
Looking
showing?
left there.
Let me see. Let me refresh my scanner here.
Seeing some resistance at 2, where's that now? And then
Yeah,
250s.
I'm seeing it now. Okay.
250s, very
Yes.
strong.
Yeah, so that's the theme of this market, right? Like quick pumps, quick dumps. Like the slow hangovers haven't been as fruitful, but there's been a lot of quick pump and dumps. Um, so, that's kind of the trend right now. So let's see. Is this going to follow suit or is it going to turn into a grinder? I mean, Alzheimer's news is nothing to scoff at. Um, let's see.
XBIO is under that 1250 right now. That's decent. Honestly, dude, like
Yeah, I'm sitting in that thing a little bit.
I'm not one to really like chase, but I think you nailed it on the head for this market. Like some of these plays can be still so fruitful even though they're way off their highs because things are just irrationally going so far up off their previous close.
Yeah, like I've never seen, I can almost say that, like maybe not never. I've been around a while, but very rarely pre market are there several stocks up hundreds of percent on the day. Like that's pretty rare. You'll usually see like one maybe that's up 100 something percent, like usually things are hanging around 50, 60, 70. But now it's like the second tier plays are still pumping like 100%. And like you said, there's a lot of meat to pick there. Like there's a lot of retrace to be had.
Yeah, even like this ATON, there's still certainly opportunity here. It's up from 5 to 1460
Yeah,
right
that
now.
one's weird. It's got King of the Day vibes though because of the reclaim, right? The Bulls are seeing that. They're getting rowdy. It's holding that previous level. I'm not a fan of Aton. I feel like that's going to be the one that just takes everyone's money today. That's just my initial analysis
Okay.
on it. But
I think there's gonna
if
be
it presents itself, I'll get involved, right? But right now, it's not going to be my top watch.
I think there's hesitancy going into today because of like some longs chasing some of those plays yesterday and getting wrecked.
And then X Bio is like the second king of the day, which is like looking really weak. Like the longs are shaking out of
Dude.
that.
And GLTO could keep fading today. It's down
really
a lot
could.
off the highs, but it
Yeah,
was
it's
up
really
on nothing, right?
If you study it and you like kind of tunnel, you could scalp it down. Yeah, for sure.
Well, here's a clear risk area on it if we want to work it backside against 14. Dude, I rode that thing from like 28. My last exit was in the 20s, so I was very happy with that one.
Yeah, that was an
GLTO.
awesome trade. Good job. Good patience. Good sticking with it. That was just a beautiful.
Well, the wife wanted to hang out, and so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna set the stop and just kind of forget about it, and that ultimately helped. Trying to distract myself from staring at every, tick.
Exactly. And that's what the power of just like sizing a little bit smaller, right? Like so much less emotion. You can widen your stop a little bit, less chance of you getting wicked out, right?
Exactly, because
The math works out. It's not a sexy topic, and greed and human nature says otherwise. I want to make more, but that's how you win. You size
That's how you
small,
win.
you wiggle, you give it that room, and just let it work.
Yeah, because right here I would have stopped out. Like I had a 28, but if I was in heavy, like this 19 move to 25 would have scared me out, stopped me out. But yeah, just But yeah, so there's DVLT kind of has my interest too. This is AI, but it's kind of hangoverish. Look at this chart.
Yeah, I've been watching that one, but it's kind of a grinder. It's been grinding.
30 cents a couple weeks ago, dude.
Yeah,
30
it's AI themed, but some kind of money is walking that thing up, right? I mean, look at that stair step chart, and then a more aggressive stair step.
But
and
look
it's
at this.
turning up.
Look at this
Mhm.
daily though. 3, 10, 20. It hit. I think it's decent,
Maybe
dude. I
look
might.
for like a sweep, right? Like a spike, and then maybe like another sweep to 3-1 and a rinse down. But as far as now, man, that chart's kind of scary to me. Oh wow, XBio. Wish I would have took it on my funded. I'm just working this on another eval right now.
Cracking under
Wow.
1250 and staying heavy. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the market we're in, guys. I mean, it's giving up. Things are pumping hard and they're giving up. XBio just consolidated under VWAP. That was really textbook. I mean, that was just a textbook fader, really. See if I can
Good
get
morning, guys. Emmanuel, DGen, James,
How are you guys doing
oh,
today?
and Perfect Fall. Good morning, Perfect Fall. You smacked ATO in this morning, didn't you? And then DGen James, good. Got the 5K eval going and UPC working. I saw the alert in the Discord, so good job working that against your daily analysis. Good
work.
job.
I saw.
Go for it.
I was reading the rules yesterday, just making sure, like, just doing a deep dive, and I saw that for the 5Ks, I think you have less rules. I think the volatility rule or the 5% or one or the other doesn't count. I forget which one it is.
It's
but
the volatility, I believe.
yeah,
I believe
so that's
volatility.
interesting. That was kind of interesting.
So you can chase plays on it. Yeah, very interesting. All right. I mean, 2 minutes. Got the 1 million challenge loaded up. I wanna get a little going on the funded because make a few bucks today. I can get a payout, and I'm considering it just for that to feel tangible. Feel real.
Nice. Yeah, it really is. Like, once you get a payout, it really does kind of change things. Your psychology is like, wow, okay.
Yeah, this ACXP we didn't go over. I saw it and thought it was ACP. Kind of got me hungry. I love the ACPs at those local La Cocina Restaurante. ACP.
Right.
ACXP, that one still up quite a bit from its previous close. We could see that fade against like 9. Man, dude, this is... There's a lot to look at. Like, I don't really have a favorite setup. There's a lot to look at. I'm just going to have to flip through. Yeah, flip through a ton of these tickers.
Yeah, same here, dude. It's like I'm just curbing my FOMO right now. And just sitting back, bell's about to happen. I'm getting my stuff set up here. I got my comp set up. I'm getting my funded set up here on my phone. And
I like the D-fly. I mean, the 150 is so tough there on this head and shoulders. I like to just fade that to maybe 120 or so.
yeah, that might be a good one to get involved on the funded. Let's look at like how it reacts at bell, tape and order book and stuff. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna pull that up and kind of keep an eye on it. I'm gonna UPC, good trade. I don't know if there's more meat there, so I'm gonna stop watching that.
CRML, we're like the metals play. I'm avoiding. I think fades is as well. I think that's experience speaking, right? I mean, when we see the government getting involved in metals and how the overall sentiment on that, we kind of step aside there. But I mean, there's volatility, there's action. For CRML, I like the flip side against like where all those longs got trapped the other day, 15 or so. Not bad, but I'll likely be avoiding it. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, green team. All right, looking for the elevator down. Oh, I still like SOPA, but by the way, SOPA was kind of the hangover that ended up holding on. Someone's on my watch list.
Piggly Wiggly. Still dumping. Taking a little bit more off.
DVLT, I do like that one. It's up a lot. I like it against the 310, 15 area. DVLT.
I'm just the same kind of thing. The theme, the AI grinder. It's just not at the top of my list to short, but if it shows itself and tells us to. Okay, I'm going to switch gears now. Getting off the eval, I'm going to hop to the competition, and then if I see a great setup, I'll hop on the funded.
I'm going to hit DVLT against like pretty much 285. I want that to stay heavy, not start grinding up.
What's that, DVLT?
Yeah, I'm going to give it a try. I like it. It already did the move through 3. Hit
Okay.
daily
Oh,
resistance.
did it?
I'm gonna give it a try. I think it's worth a little stabby.
All right. Competition, load up. Here we go. Are you in the comp? Or are you in the funded right now?
I'm in funded, but I'm about to load up the comp too.
Okay. Let's see if my watch list.
We gotta beat Bill.
Yeah, it looks like my watch list is still good, so that's nice. Okay. Is there any rules on the funded? What are the rules?
I would imagine no.
That's a good question, right? What are the damn rules?
Oh boy.
Yeah, probably not. Yeah, you're right, because there's $1 million line of power. You're
Well,
right.
imagine the risk team's not really going to be looking at.
All right, that means I'm just going all in on Expo short right now. I'm just kidding.
I know DVLT snapping and
Oh, that wasn't a bad
XPIO.
idea. Wait a minute, hold on. Dude, I don't want to invest too much time into this thing. So
What are you hitting right now?
X Bio.
Wow, you're chasing the hell out of that thing down there. Oh my god.
Yeah, I got 30K in it. It's $1 million.
Okay, we need to preface this by saying, guys, with the competition, we're trading that a little higher, with higher risk. So probably avoid taking,
Yeah, I'm gonna clarify. If I take a trade, I'm either gonna be on the funded or I'm gonna be on the comp. So right now, I'm just tinkering with XBio in the competition. I covered it on my other account.
Oh, is
D-fly
SPRB?
dumping. D-fly dump.
Damn it.
Oh my god, we were right there, dude. That's kind of annoying. Damn. Painful, bro.
It probably goes to 120. Let's see if we get a bounce here.
Yeah, maybe we can hit it towards like 1.4 or 1.
If we get a bounce, yeah, something. D-fly looking for a bounce play. I'm in DVLT and looking for a D-fly bounce. Honestly, anything up towards high 137.8, I'd like to get involved there. Oh my god, dude, you are already degen mode on this comp, aren't you? I'm hearing all kinds of beeping
I'm just
going
playing
on.
with it. I'm just playing. You need to turn my volume down somehow, man. Today, you guys are gonna be like, man, I can't do this anymore. Get him a mic.
Get him.
I gotta order that.
I may just smack, like a small, like couple thousand shares at XBIO on the comp.
Yeah, I got 20,000 shares right now. I mean, it's $1 million max loss, right? It's like I gotta be aggressive. I mean, I don't want to invest 5 whole days in this thing. Like I'm trying to hit a home run, guys. It's a competition. Like if we play it to completely different. NXL dumping. Wow, man, these things are just look at that. NXL. Is it gonna halt down? Do I take this on the comp? And it's up 70%.
NXL, yeah, yep. NXL.
Broke a key level. D-fly. Painful.
XBIO, did it just halt up?
Did it?
It looks.
I mean, I'm only down 30K right now. Yeah, it is halted. Okay. I'm like scaling it.
Yeah, man.
What is even our buying power? I guess 1 million?
Yeah.
D-fly.
I know.
It's all right. We're on it. It's okay. Man, that was literally the one backside play where I said I'm going to start focusing on this, and it just got a little distracted. It's okay. No emotions. So what's going on, guys? You guys work in the competition. We work in evals, funded. What's been y'all's best trades? What you looking at?
DVLT kind of curling back around. Had profit taking, curling back around a little bit. I'm gonna stick with it against like 285.
Okay. Yeah, just careful. Things have been grinding. It's up and again, 7% today. Like something is obviously buying that thing Yeah, annoying. Like the hangover, like that Koch.
That was the one we were looking at,
So
DFLI.
good.
The one we were looking at.
I know, man, and that's we just said that too. Like the quick hangover theme. Like it hasn't been like sleepy hangover, just been like bad hangover. Like get it out, like just get it all out of your system. Like get rid of it type hangover.
ATON dumping. Like,
Is it? I know it's like today's overwhelming because it's like we get all this chop and then all of a sudden everything wants to dump at once. It's like, are you kidding me? Is Aton about to haul down?
PLRZ spiking up, little penny
I'm
play.
chasing this on the competition. I'm just gonna not even call out my plays on the competition because this is degenerate. I mean, I will, but it sounds bad.
D fly in the 20s.
The theme is the pumps are dumping. So NXL, interesting here, guys. NXL might be giving a risk level off 1.8.
It feels like they're gonna. It's on the 200 right now. NXL feels like the market maker trap play where they're gonna like shoot it through the highs and back down, then shoot it. I don't know. It does look heavy
Either
right
that
here.
or elevators right here.
Yeah.
How do I turn my volume down, bro? Let me see.
It's in the settings. I like hearing it though. Oh my god, bro. I'm very pained out on D-Fly right now. God bless America.
Yeah, man, that
My
was-
home sweet.
NXL is starting to kind of give it up.
Okay. I'm gonna be monitoring. A poet's not terrible. POET.
To get out of UPC, they won't let you. 300 to reach 3K to get funded. Nice. Yeah, just sit on your hands and wait for that really good setup. Definitely don't try to force it, especially not at Bell, right?
Well, we wish we would have forced it on D-Fly, but
Yeah.
POET is kind of interesting. I didn't see this one, but it had a nice climb and towards the end of the day yesterday, and now it's kind of hangoverish here. It looks like it's a Wall Street. Is it a Wall Street bets play? Might have to take a look at the short interest on it. POET. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look real quick. Honestly, the XBIO, of course, I'm looking at smacking that on the competition as well. POET, not a super high short interest. I mean, modest, like 7%. Byron got your message on the funded. Awesome. Getting close to that 50K funded, hitting Q and just calling it.
That's so sweet. It's like, yeah, man, we're working these accounts and we're working them well.
You're both about to be
your
it.
max loss and you're good.
Yeah. 920 is good on Poet. POET, it already hit that. Poet looks good backside here. It's trying a little red to green move.
XBio resumption.
Okay.
I mean, how much is it going to come back here? I'll smack into it. Kind of sizing these with bigger picture in mind for the continued fades, but if it starts to get away, I'll just take a loss. This is on my competition, guys.
All right, I'm smacking it. Just 15,000 shares.
That's it? Let me see. I need to clarify what our buying power is. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Come on, halt down, baby. Halt down.
Dude.
It's degenerate. It feels so wrong. It's like scary because it's like, what if this is my funded account? You like blow it in a second.
When I've done that fat finger, and that's why I have, like, if I'm over 1,000 shares, send me a big alert because yeah, that could get dangerous quick.
Seriously, dude.
Oh yeah, XBI is gonna be great. Pump up. I'll size it. On the funded, DVLT is working fine. That one's a good hangover. Just kicking back there. Got to take the better setups on the funded. I think that's the approach we've been playing out fairly well. Poet is very interesting. POET against like 920. It's popping up right now.
Okay.
There's just going to be a lot of activity today. There's a lot of increased
Yeah.
volatility.
Something just telling me not to really tinker with the funded right now.
Yeah, I can get that for sure.
Like when we start to see like a true A or A plus, like I'll get involved in funded. Like DFly low key was that for us, but
Yeah, it's in the 120s right now.
it's always better. It's easy to say that hindsight. I mean,
Well, we wanted to see I remember we said we wanted to see what it was going to do at the Open, and that's good discipline, but it's annoying too when they work
yeah,
out.
because it's like at Bell, yeah, it can either go for you or against you, and it kind of becomes kind of coin flippy.
All right, XBIO, what we gonna do here? What we gonna do? Just testing this level out. Got so much resistance overhead.
Yeah, so we have $1 million buying power.
Okay.
1-to-1 leverage on your $1 million account, guys. I blew mine pretty quickly last time. I was like very close, but just overstayed my welcome in a massive short. It's like it enforces bad habits in these accounts. At the same time, you just know that you're letting it out. Like it's
Yeah.
not how you normally trade. So
DVLT about to test 250s. I'm probably gonna take half off under 250s.
okay,
DVLT.
nice. Worked out good.
It was essentially the DFly hangover for me too, but I get the hesitancy with AI. You know,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's
I'm
true.
looking to party with you next Wednesday, dude, on a payout, man.
Yeah, man, that's gonna be awesome, dude. It's coming up. I can't believe it's already here, dude. Time's flying.
I know.
XBio pumping Nightmare Zone.
Oh, she's pumping. All right.
It's right at VWAP too, so if it gets much more love, the Warriors could flock here, guys. But you know the Warriors are also hesitant, so let's see, Bagholer audition or Warrior Stampede.
Oh man, he cracked me up.
Let's see what else we got here. Poet Reclaim. Poet looks like halt up.
Come on, DVLT under
No,
250.
it's only
Let's
up
get it.
10%. What are you focused on?
DVLT on the funded. I'm in
Right.
at 271. I'm pretty happy with that trade.
Nice. Good work.
That's what's so good with the evals. They get that muscle memory down, so you're not you know what the good setups are. You know, you trade them, you get it funded, you got that muscle memory in there. You
Yeah,
trade
and
it up.
I think my outlook is different now because for the longest time I thought I had to hit my profit target again on the funded account before I got paid. So I continued that aggressive, ambitious mindset. But now I know you only have to make $300 to get paid in like a couple of green days. So there's no sense in trying to hit the gas once you're funded. Like just slow and steady your way to payouts. Build that.
Mhm.
Okay, XBio getting a little sketchy for bulls.
Oh, you take. Oh, sweet. Yeah, sitting in the profit there. Pretty good.
Watching Aton too. I'm in that a little bit.
Oh, baby. I'm going to take maybe. I'll take maybe. Should I take any off here? XBIO. Or we're just getting started, probably. This thing's down towards 7, dude.
I'm all in, dude. Aton looks like it's the one. One of them's gonna dump. between Aton and XBio, one of them might end up in a halt down, but they're also kind of selling off. And XL, good call, bro. Very good call. You called that one. Total fake out.
It's
Yeah,
that crystal ball, baby.
yeah, good call there.
You trade long enough, you get that crystal ball.
Yeah.
IMAB.
Is Aton gonna halt down, guys?
Yeah, it's like, should we? I might chase that against the open on the competition.
Yeah. I think
NXL rejecting off the highs right now.
But XBio also rejected pretty hard. So bigger picture, XBio, like it's still up 200%. Aton's only up 100 now. So technically, XBio is meteor, but it's also kind of more bullish, bigger picture. So higher risk. Let's see, huh? Yeah, it's like I want to do this, but now that I'm funded, I don't. Like I want to focus on.
Oh, DVLT, let's go. I'm gonna take half off down here, guys.
Wow,
Kick
Aton.
back with the rest.
I should have sized Aton more.
Adjusted stop at break even 270.
Wow, Aton wash away, dude. Hasn't halted either. You set stop to break even?
Close-ish. 260s for. I'll take it off. Otherwise, gonna let the rest of that work out. DVLT.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
So Aton was the one that continued to fade, but XBio is still lagging. I mean, it's still just
XBIO still trying to hang in there.
yeah, it could be on elevator watch.
All right. NXL still trying to test the open out. XBIO looks heavy, dude. I might smack it more on the comp. It's looking heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby.
It's still up a lot too, but tricky.
She's tricky and spready. On
Tricky
TTP.
wiki. Tricky wiki.
Yeah, I'll just hit it with a few more, like 10 more thousand. I gotta switch the buttons on the competition because it's gonna mess me up on my funded. Because you remember I have the sell button where the buy button is. I don't even need a buy button. Just a cover button. I don't need a buy button. Who buys tickers?
Exactly.
No. Yeah, you just click settings, view, and reverse buttons. There we go.
I just took a tiny amount of XBio in my funded, just a tiny lot, because I do like it to fade from here. I might chop around a little bit, so I'm in small with a wide stop. It's just been really struggling at VWAP, and then it had that VWAP rejection. So I like XBio bigger picture to just continue fading a bit. I mean, it's still up 180% on the day, and it's weak. So take a paper cut there if it doesn't work.
This Aton still heavy.
Yeah, it is.
NXL still trying to test the open, but I don't know, man. I'm
heavy but chasey. Yeah, NXT is interesting here, guys. I mean, that risk level.
It just bounced right off the 200-day, so I don't know if it's going to try to hold it.
Yeah, it's kind of trappy, tricky. XBio, come on, girl. Sell on out, baby.
Perfect fall, that's a good idea. An order at 220. Yeah. That is a good idea.
Yeah, like just wait for a liquidation sweep and then like set your buy like 10 cents above that so you have your risk set too. That would be a really smart play. XBio, is it going to do it? Is it going to do it?
This Poet's getting close to 920, and that's really nice at 920. It's tempting. It feels like this is being held up for some reputable news or something, though. It's the only concern there. But
There
it
we
looks
go.
good.
XBio.
Oh my God, up 33,000. I gotta start locking in a couple.
I just took it on my funded right before it snapped. Good stuff.
If we're winning this competition, I gotta really go hammer time, whack-a-mole style.
Yeah, I mean, I'm all in on XBio right now.
DVLT snapping into the mid 230s on the funded. That's working great.
Yeah, I'm up. Well, I'm back. Well, I'm up 10K now. I'm up 20K. I'm up 30K. Oh no, I'm down. I'm liquidated. Back to the corner I go.
Back to the corner. Aton, is that giving an entry? No, that one's still kind of sitting there. Yeah, XBIO looking for a little further flush here, and I'll start, coming out a little bit.
Yeah, XBio. Then that's the power of like working multiple accounts because I just sniped. I sat here. I'm watching like a hawk, and I'm like, all right, now I'm gonna take some on my funded. Size small, good risk. Boom, sniped. Like first trade in the funded for the day, good and green. I'm gonna just bring my stops down and work this thing. I mean, bigger picture on that small snipe could pay Q for the day alone if this trade works out. So, just the reality of it.
Took 5,000 off XBIO.
Okay.
Working at 1217 average on it.
It's about to be like do or die. I mean, I think even like 12 now is going to be a key level. If you want to get involved again, 1150, 12, maybe it'll test that, but it might just be like total elevator watch now.
ATON may be given an entry on the competition.
Price target on this cover, guys, is going to be about $8-9.
I'm gonna get involved with ATON on the comp.
Okay.
It's curling around a bit. I like it against like 15. I'm gonna start
it's just given reclaim, so yeah, I just give it that room with that.
Oh my God, DVLT guys, 220s. I gotta take it all down here.
No, you don't have to. Just move your stop. Just put it like a little bit above. Dial in on that order book and see where it blocks at, and set it right above it, something like that.
That's 220 may hold. I mean, how. So
yeah, I mean, I see what you're saying.
I should have put a buy order down there.
To protect yourself with that peace of mind, that's what I like to do. Instead of just going and take it off, set a very tight stop from that level. Because if it never goes up higher, then you could make whatever percent or more gains than you could have, like setting that stop just a little bit above where it is right
DVLT, sweet.
That's what I'm doing with XBio right now on my funded just to secure the bag on this first trade. I'm just like moving my stop, like micro moving as it dumps.
Okay, I see. Aton working out from that smack. I gotta get like heavy, I think, with these, like real heavy if I'm stand a chance in this competition.
Yeah, I don't want to give too much time to it. So I'm just like, I'm literally all in on XBio, bro. Short. I'm up 40K right now. I mean, I'm funded. I'm trying to get payouts. Like, I'm not too worried about this. Like, I'll swing for home runs on this competition, but I'm not going to, like we talked about, it's going to be one of those where people are going to be swinging with the same mindset,
Yeah, I agree.
It just kind of, it's not the same as it.
It interests me because I would like the 100K eval, but at the same time, oh my God, given 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, I mean, we can make that in one day to buy the 100K eval.
Right. Exactly.
So. XBio, fade on out. Pay Papa today. You gonna pay Papa? There we go.
Poet 920 is holding up. Okay, maybe now again. I don't know. Got scared. Hit 915 Poet. Rejected off of it. Idiot.
The thing is too is like it's trickier to short and win the competition because we can only make so much off that 1 million position. But these degenerate longs, like someone might long one of these penny plays or something and get like a couple 100%.
I know, and it goes like what was it? Ticker SPRB. It
Yeah,
goes like
so it's
that.
like I'll end up making like 500K if X Bio works out perfect with $1 million short, you know. But it's like at the end of the day, that's only 50% return on the account. I mean, I've like over 100% my account in one day, so I can make $1 million in one day on this account on a good day. Like in reality, like my data says that.
Hmm.
It's the same thing, you know, $1,000 or $1 million, 25K or 1 million. It's the same account like structure and levels. It's just scale.
Right.
XBio still working, man.
ATON, I'm working that on the comp. Poet, really wish would have taken that on the funded. KYTX is a little penny play that they're sending up. Therapeutics play. I guess that's been the theme. Therapeutics. Because therapeutics is pumping up right now. I'm seeing about this level of resistance. I'll pull up the chart there.
Mm-hmm.
This level of resistance is pretty good. KYTX is popping up over it, testing it out right now. I don't see any news here, so this is
Okay, let me dial in here, setting my stops down a little bit more on this position. Okay, all right. Is that a new penny?
KYTX. Poet, you're making me sad.
Don't stick with her. Oh man, that thing's. See, but it's only up 10% on the day, right?
The Poet. Well, it was from yesterday, the hangover from
Oh, it's a
yesterday's.
hangover. Okay.
Yeah. It's a hangover. Look.
KYTX, yeah, up 30%. Very strong trend, guys.
Yeah. She's got a strong trend. Therapeutics play.
Okay. XBio, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Heavy off 11, 11.5 now. Milking that on the comp and my funded. Um, in Excel, key level I've been calling for, but Kevin also crystal balled it and said that they would manipulate and take money, and that's exactly what they did.
Is having a tough time getting through the 190s.
It is. It looks heavy, big picture. I think maybe we should size it small here. I don't know. Do I want to take it on the funded? Like it looks good, but it looks tricky. Like you're right. It's like it almost looks too good to short. Like they're gonna
Yeah, it
trap,
looks
right?
it
It's like
looks
that.
like a market maker's paradise on the XL.
Like the short time frame looks so good, but it's like it's a trap almost.
When
Like
we do,
you know this stuff, man. It's
it's
just reverse psychology out here.
it is it looks too good to be true, and so we talk ourselves out of taking good setups because it's like that's too good of a setup. That doesn't make sense. Too good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, then we mess that up. All right. Where did D-Fly? Is D-Fly given an entry? It's popped up towards VWAP a few times, D-Fly. I feel like she stays heavy on the day. That head and shoulders snap was just gorgeous.
Yeah. How
Yeah,
much more room
NX.
does it have down?
It has rim down. It's kind of 1-to-1 right now, though.
Mm-hmm.
This is the chart here. She's the head and shoulders 150, and probably down towards like I got some support at $110, so it's kind of 1-to-1 ish. 120, of course, could hold up too. Some.
Okay. XBio sloppy. I mean, I don't think it'll reclaim from here. That'd be brutal.
ATON working out great.
XBio thinking about re-smacking it now on the funded. It's just so heavy down here.
Poet might be giving us sloppy. Let me take a look. I see that one popping up. Perhaps testing the open out, popping up a little bit. It's got that 9. Kind of clear high resistance on POET. NXL snapped the 190s, so triple topped up there at the highs. This could be the entry now. We've been kind of patient with it.
Interesting.
NXL, you seeing that?
Yeah, XBio, if you guys aren't in it, this looks like a good area to re-smack it. I actually kind of sized it on the funded a little bit. Okay, NXL. Yeah, that one is starting to look good.
ATON working out.
Oh, wow, ATON just dumped. Yeah. So King of the Day, again, guys, the hyper hangover theme. Like, we're partying today and we're hungover today.
Yeah.
That's been the theme of the market. With Aton, if it's going to continue to give it up, a little concerning for the XBio follow through. The Warriors might try to come there and rally somehow, somewhere. So keep an eye on that.
Okay, NXL's popping up here. 190's that resistance. I think I may take that even on the funded against just that high that it just put in. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take NXL against 193.4.
Yeah, it's not a bad play because it's like, how many times does it hit that triple top? In reality, right? I'd like to get in at least like 180 because it's like a wide risk level, but if you size it small enough, yeah, you could. I mean, it's like your risk reward gauge.
Come on, elevator down, baby. Elevator down.
Hit if you hit it. Nice.
Come to Papa.
Good work, man. That was a
Just
great.
waiting for the setup, man. Waiting for
Good
that
job,
setup.
dude.
It's payout day. It's payout day.
It better not reclaim here. You can request a payout today, right?
I need probably like $20 more, and then I can request a payout. Yeah.
What's your plan?
I'm
with
at
that?
3. I'm at 360.70 right now. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to you guys about it and try to. I gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
I want to do what's best for the psychology. Like if taking the payout like snaps me really hard into focus, I want to do that.
Mhm.
You said you did that too, and it became real for you.
Yeah, I did.
But I've been trading well, and I kind of like having a cushion, like as well.
Exactly.
So I gotta. There's a couple things I gotta think about.
Yeah, I was looking at that. So it's like after you hit your profit target, then you scale up, and it's like you can still lose. The rules are a little tricky, but it's like once you scale up, if you make more than that threshold, I think that's when you really start building a buffer. Like they're not going to keep, bringing your buffer. Like at a certain point, like that's where it's tricky because like when you first get funded, once you start making money, your buffer is going to go up even with the payout. So your room for error becomes less. But if you stay consistent in the long run, you'll continue to build that buffer and just conservatively pay yourself. It's just being ambitious with the payouts and ambitious on each day is what's going to screw you up. It's just you got to play like the longer, bigger picture.
Yeah.
And like we talked about, like the goal was to have multiple fundeds working. And so now we've worked towards that. And that's like now I'm saying, okay, now I'm going to be extra conservative and just chill out and size down and play the long game here. Yeah, that's definitely the way to go about it. It's good to be ambitious. It's good to push the gas on the evals, guys. But once you're funded, just chill out.
NXL, maybe elevator here. Carlos, what's going on? I'm watching that NXL as well. Probably going to take half off here soon, NXL. Oh, baby. Yeah, coming out half NXL.
X bio, pump a little bit, see if it's gonna pump higher or if that's.
All right, NXL's getting a little pop there. I'm gonna look for a re-entry on it too.
They're still toying with it, huh? Well, it's trickling. X bio got a little pop there, guys. See if that's gonna get follow through. If it gets follow through again, the Bulls could get a little excited. So careful there. Um, key levels like 1250, 13, 1350. Depending on how rowdy it gets. I feel like bigger picture there, it's going to continue to fade, but again, you just can't oversize because you'll get chopped out with the emotional risk and stop loss.
Right.
I'll be right back.
All right, ATON working out too on the short side. Carlos, you're green going long on it. NXL still strong. Yeah. We could. She's getting a decent bounce right there. It could. They could accumulate shorts on it and send it higher. If it double bottoms right there for a next leg up, it's gonna be a fairly strong push with the shorts accumulated on it. So we just need to be mindful of that. XBIO is trying to test that like resistance line there at 12 kind of 50. ATON lower. Good. Emmanuel, what happened?
Oh, man.
What happened? Did you get a little... I mean, apparently that's fairly common. It happened to me too, right when I was about to hit the funded. You know, I just started.
No, it just screws with you. That's
It
why I
screws
keep
with
preaching that. It really does, guys. Those profit goals and targets, like, they'll really screw with your head.
So, were you just focused on the money too much, or and didn't assess risk? What happened? PLTR chopping you up? Oh, that is a complete chop fest. Yeah. Yeah, PLTR complete chop fest here.
Volunteer.
Yeah.
What's the range on that? Yeah, couple dollar chop, but it's like when you guys play those, you're so leveraged that those movements make a big difference. Yeah. X bio, interesting levels here, guys. Is it going to try to test VWAP again at 13, or is it? Let's see.
Yeah, Carlos BIAF. Look how wicky this thing is from up in the 70s. I think it's good. That thing actually looks good and heavy. There's a lot of longs accumulated there.
BIAF, yeah.
Yeah. That thing
I'm a junk stock. I think I've shorted that thing several times before.
Yeah. Well, everything you short, so.
Yeah, like you said, we don't want the good companies.
Exactly.
Hey, Emmanuel, exactly. Tomorrow's another day, and that's the reality of it. As long as we don't buy out a max loss, like, we're fine. Like, we're all good traders. Like, we've all had our huge days. Like, we've had big days consistently. So, like, we've talked about and we'll continue to talk about, the biggest thing is just stepping away on that red day, you know. And that's trader maturity right there. Tomorrow's another day.
Here's the chart, BIAF, Carlos. Looking good, and a little symmetrical triangle, but it's kind of the volume's fading, so I could see it cracking under that level. Yeah, Emmanuel, just try to do that, because I was there like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I mean, I was right there in your shoes. Like, I was $1 away, and then I had a max loss day. I not only lost BIAF.
Seriously, dude, it can be that
dude.
bad, but it really can.
She just completely dumped that symmetrical triangle right there. Good eye, Carlos. Dang, that was looking juicy.
Nice.
Should have taken it. Yeah, I was literally a dollar away. I was up like 150 on the day, and I just kept chasing that dollar, and then ended up losing not only the profits but hitting max loss, dude. I was gutted that day. But if you try, Emmanuel, to focus on big picture and just tomorrow try to just hit Q, then the next day hit Q, then just not thinking on the just today specifically, you'll be good. It's a very difficult thing to do because
Really is.
today
Moment.
sucks for you. It just you feel gutted, but
In the moment, it's so hard. But we can do it, guys. It's like we know that's the answer. Just fight yourself and realize that. Accept it.
nice, Carlos BIAF. Yep. Oh man, dude.
XBio is
cool.
interesting here.
Intruso Trader. Yeah, they did send me like the leaderboard link. Let me take a look at that.
I'm down 30K right now on the competition. XBio was looking good, but it kind of reclaimed. So
Here, I'll send it over.
This thing's getting real sleepy here. Is it gonna base?
I haven't even looked at this, by the way, but either. TTP leaderboard. Okay. Sending to email, copy paste.
All right, yeah. So I'm just chilling with QBio or XBio right now, guys. Aton is working out very well. It's up 80% now. Let's see what else the scanner shows. And Excel is our other one. YYAI cheat play. Do we have the 10-cent rule with the competition? Because like
Dude,
YY.
I mean that automatically goes in. That's
Okay.
But yeah, as far as like risk assessing,
XBio getting volume.
why is this not coming through?
See if that wick is the one or not.
Oh man, ATON, pretty. Let's get under 10.
Are you in it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Working that on the.
Comp.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm up like 80 grand on this comp, dude, right now.
Nice. That's good. Good stuff.
So my degeneracy in full force.
Oh man. I'm just looking at the scanner, seeing if anything. Yeah, everything's like just fading out. I mean, XBio could be the one that gets rowdy, guys. It's not letting up just yet. It's kind of trying to trend up here. That might be the one that gets it. Set my stop at.
And then XBIO is just kind of sitting there.
Yeah, it might just be like a little baby recovery and trap. There's a lot of resistance above. I still like the trade here, heavy off 12.50.13. But let's see, because nothing else is really getting it. So the Warriors could. Where's James at? Where's our spot? What's going on? Need that insider knowledge.
UPC's been UPC's been curling around. Poet's having a difficult time getting back up to 920. Keeps getting rejected. Like 890 is a clear risk area, huh? Yeah, kind of like that.
Okay.
In XL, Carlos, what are you thinking with NXL? I mean, it tapped 150, curling back around just a little bit.
That thing's weird.
It's a sketchy one for sure. Feels
Mhm.
sketch. ATO in lower. All right.
There's the Cube X Bio reclaim that I was talking about. I think the Warriors might start going there now. It's going to test VWAP soon and see what it does.
You got the direct access routes showing the saturated sellers on NXL. Okay. Like the inside scoop we're getting with NXL right now. BIAF, that was a good call. I'm very regretful there. That was a really good setup. I love these shorts against pre-market like wicks. I mean, it's just so many longs trapped in that name. So that was a excellent spot there. I'm still looking to trade the funded. I'm trading the competition. I'm up like 80 grand on that. I'm at 0.6 Q on funded. So I'm looking to see if there's another setup or two.
X Bio feels like bigger picture. They're just trapping bulls for the rents down. I mean, it could reclaim off all the support though. So let's see.
Okay. TDIC. Okay, I got the leaderboard link now, so I'm gonna copy paste that for you guys. I'm curious too. I want to see if I'm at the top. Come on, I want to see how hard I gotta work here. I'm up 80 on it. There's the link. I'm gonna click on it too.
We got a crypto treasury pump.
Dude, there's somebody. Okay, if I liquidate this position, I'm gonna be actually like number 3 on it right now.
Wow, nice. Are you got it pulled up? Let me see. I have the scanner.
All right, I liquidated all of ATON. Let's this is so ridiculous. I love working these, man. It's just so get that degeneracy out, you know. All right, I'm gonna show the leaderboard. I would love to win one of these 100K, as I'm sure you guys would too. That would be awesome. All right, here's the leaderboard right now, and for some reason, I'm not showing up right yet. But yeah, we got James with 137,000, 100% win rate. So that's one trade. Kevin Avery. Heck no, I ain't only up $6,000. Heck to the no. I'll show you guys right now.
Well, that's not good.
Oh, well, it just probably hasn't loaded in yet.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I'll show you guys right now. I should be number 3 on the leaderboard right now. Yeah, let me pull that up. Yeah, here's the yeah, here I am right here. I'm up 80 on it. $80,000. $80,000. $80,000 holla. So I should be number 3. I guess, dude.
Nice. I'm down a small fortune, but I'm down 100K.
Well, that's how these competitions are, dude. It's like you're either it's like it's feast or famine on them. You just gotta go hard.
Yeah, exactly. XBio creeped up to VWAP. Still feels heavy, guys. Are they going to blow her off here? It stayed below that. It's been consolidating and creeping lower all morning. But nothing else wants to get going. The Warriors could migrate, guys. It's getting a little grindy. Besides that, everything's looking kind of slow, heavy. Aton might try to reclaim here too at this level. Maybe he's trying to start basing. 13 is really key for XBio. Maybe a sweep above that and rents. That's going to be a key level to see how it reacts at 13. If it stays above it or if it gets rejected.
So KD, you got to go to your dashboard and create a new order. So it's like you're getting another eval account. So create a new order, and then it should be like the competition. Hopefully it's still up though.
And it gives you a new login and everything.
Yeah. So you've registered for it, but just go to the dashboard, create a new order like you're buying another eval, and then there'll be the competition account there, which is free, of course, and then you can work. Then you can get your degen out on that. Dude, if I'm number 3 right now, I guess I gotta go for it, man. I'm gonna start because I need this 100K account, man.
Obligation.
I need this 100K account, dude.
That's an eval or a funded?
It's eval, yeah.
But that's like $500-600 in value, I believe.
Yeah. Well, certainly getting it funded and trading it can be a whole lot more than that too.
Yeah, but just to buy it off rip, I think they charge like at least $500 for that.
Poet is actually working out real well, guys, off of 920. I'm just going to flip through some tickers here. NXL, kind of sketch. XBIO sitting at... XBIO, I think, does present a trade. It's popping up right now, but I think that stays heavy against all the resistance from...
That's what I thought too, but it's just grinding. And now it's right at VWAP, so this is like really key.
There's a lot of pre-market resistance on it.
Yeah, there is. It's tempting.
Very tempting.
This is that 13 level I called for, guys. So it's like if it stays above it, the bulls might gain control. It needs to flush back below it for shorts to be comfortable, because this is that VWAP level.
NXL rejecting off of VWAP. All right. That could be slow, steady Eddie right there. Just fader. NXL once volume fades.
Put a big wish in
really?
there, 13, guys. Studying this XBio here. NXL, you're on.
Well, it could be a slow, steady fader. Dude, small cap land, man, like after yesterday, just everything fading, it just could cause too much hesitancy out there for the longs, and we could just, XBIO's kind of stair stepping, so.
Yeah, it's interesting there off that low, 1050.
And now it's trying to pop up through VWAP.
14, that's pretty impressive little bounce here.
I don't think it gets up towards 17, 18. I'm going to start slow scaling it.
I think like 14, 15 even. 15 seems real heavy there.
I'm going to start slow scaling it on the comp up towards like 17, 18, really.
Right. It's like, how much more are they going to pump it? See, I guess there's like kind of a gap at 15, but it looks like they backfilled it. So I don't think that needs to be worried about. It could halt up soon because it's been pumping. But it feels like this is the golden sloppy level right now.
Yeah, this is good. This feels good. XBIO right here.
Like with our eye, this is like what we see, like the over aggressive reclaim, but like ultimately it's bearish. It's just like the new bag holder trials, maybe. Like, I don't know, man. This market, this thing could be the one that reclaims and goes to 25 and starts a whole new wave though at the same time, and that's why you can never get over convicted.
Right. It's probably not. With the competition, it's probably not good habits formed. Like for the funded, I always know the risk, guys. Like you throw the risk in there and know it very well. And I honestly just set the stop and leave it.
Yeah.
Making sure I'm sticking to that. But yeah, XBIO on the comp, I'm taking the 1345 short, but I'm gonna size that on the competition because the competition's different. You got to be real aggressive with it.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, you just have to take high risk trades and get lucky.
You're
That's
trading
pretty
like a
much what
market.
works.
You're trading like a money manager, like a degenerate money manager, hedge fund manager. 'Cause you have so much buying power and you're trying to make so much. Like, yeah, it's like a different way of trading for sure.
Yeah, I don't know how often that leaderboard updates, but it definitely ain't accurate right now.
It's on the way down to nothing away from.
All right, let's flip through some tickers, see what else is going on. Got XBIO just in the wings, just kicking
14
back.
feels heavy, dude.
Yeah, 14.
If it gets above 15, that'd be
Are you-
really surprising.
Are you in on the funded on this?
No, not anymore. I stopped out. I took some profit and stopped out.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just sitting on the competition right now, kind of just chilling, keeping an eye on the scanner. But I'm tempted to resize it, but it's above VWAP, and like I've been calling for, the Warriors could keep getting rowdy here, so that's the problem. What are the fundamentals for XBio? I don't think I read the news. Did we even have news? Feel like a
I
strong
don't think so.
fundamental.
I don't think so. No news is what I'm seeing. No news is good news these days.
Yeah, more hope.
AREB. Yeah, good alert, DGen James. AREB halted up. ARAB. This has been in play for a while.
XBio dumping a little bit here. We just got a little bit of a snap.
Okay.
I might take a little bit again.
I'm
It's like,
seeing
I'm kind of waiting for some
1050.
confirmation to get back.
AREB opened up. AREB opened up. Yeah, I'm going to be hitting AREB on the funded. Or not the funded, God. The comp. AREB. Is it halting up again? ARAB's halting up again. ARAB.
Okay. American Rebel, that's a known junk stock.
Yeah, yep.
Up 50%. Yeah, give it a little bit of room. I'm seeing like $10, $11.
Uzo, I'm on the board now.
And then 8. Yeah, I'm seeing like 9 to 10 to 11 resistance.
I'm not number 3. It's not accurate. It says my P&L's 6,190, which is not.
So XBio, was that the bag holder trial that I talked for?
XBio, come on.
Like the over aggressive dead cat bounce to give bulls hope, but long term bigger picture, like it probably needs to fade more.
I'm taking
The
half
VWAP.
off on XBIO.
It's like the VWAP trick. Do the
And
fade
then-
funk.
Yeah, Uzo, where am I at on that board? On your end. AREB, AREB, guys, I'm bringing out the shotgun on the competition. Yeah, I'm bringing the shotgun out, AREB. Shotgun as in, like, sizing up to, like, 100,000 shares.
Yeah.
Look at all this resistance we have on this thing. It just faded from 26 down. It's hitting like a 52-week low is what it looks like. Maybe a dead cat bounce is what it's getting, but
Yeah. I saw like 9, 10, 11 is an interesting level.
7th place. Okay.
Yeah, like up through 11, 12.
7th place. With what's the profit it has for me on it? Aggravating that it's not refreshing on my side. Oh, there it is. It refreshed. Okay. It has me at 50,000 profit at 7th place. Okay. Well, that's... Dude, somebody's got 207,000. First place is 207,000.
Oh my god. Yes. Does it show the trade like long or short and stuff?
No, but 100% win rate, so you know it's just one all-in trade. The thing is, a lot of these people are gonna blow up. You know, they're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
make, but then they're gonna lose it all too.
Like I guarantee, like at least half of the people that are in the whole contest would blow up today. Maybe more.
Yeah, dude, the last one they ran, the overall, dude, the overall.
It's a risk reward. You just gotta, is it worth working 5 hard days to make 500? I mean, but it's worth degenerately, trying to
Right,
push something.
exactly. Like the last competition, the overall cumulative result was like negative millions.
Yeah, like if the prop firm would be on there, like we all be screwed. We'd all be going back offshore, humbling up, watching warrior videos.
Yeah, minus the latter, but yeah, humbling up, yeah.
Oh man, the trader rehab. Yeah. So X Bio, I mean, is it going to reclaim from here? It shouldn't. Should be a golden entry here for the short down. You could risk it off the 14 range if you're not involved.
Rose, what's she up to?
Small off of that. We saw that death candle there, kind of. So I'm involved
Yeah.
off 15 again on the funded, and I'm sitting in the competition. D-Fly continue to work. That Poet one was choppy and wiki. But
AREB, yeah, it was. Yeah. She looks good still, Poet. I don't know why. Sometimes I just get too hesitant on those. AREB, dude, is the hot roller thing on the competition because I need to get
Yeah.
involved here.
exactly.
Yeah.
What the heck is each rule, right? Yeah.
10:28, so it may be 5-minute halt. We're going to be opening up on AREB here shortly.
Baby Rose. Baby Rose.
AREB, I'm pulling the hammer out, guys.
Okay. My theory is just sitting X Bio with a lot of size and hope that it continues to fade in the competition. And then I'm just tinkering.
Oh, we're open.
Size.
We're open.
It feels like a good RR for me. See, like, do we degenerately long AREB and then short it down though? Like, we're probably too late to long it, but that would have been the play, like, right? Would've been-
Right.
But it's so hard to long that thing. I mean, I guess it's already
I'm taking 10,000 shares up here around 10. I'm gonna look to size it.
X Bio a little weak here, guys. A little more selling, and this thing will get buried. Backholder burial. Dang it, it's like-
Oh!
What happened? You short?
Yeah.
Wait. It's halted down, didn't it?
Yep. Boom.
Nice. You got it? Where are you at, man? Are you pushing here? Let's go.
I said I'm bringing the hammer out, AREB.
You got to one up me. You heard I got my 50K funded. You're like, well, I'm about to get my 100K.
Dude, let's go. They don't know what they're dealing with here. When I go full degen, it's game time. It is absolute game time.
Yeah, I'm full degen. I've been sitting full degen in X Bio, but it kind of reclaimed a little bit, so that hurt. But I think bigger picture, this thing's still up 200%, so it's got the room to really fade. Like if the market stays on theme.
I think I need to even get heavier than I am, though. I had 10,000 on it.
Yeah,
Like some of these people are swinging.
yeah, you
hard.
have to. People are going max leverage on their plays, bro. Like you're not gonna win taking 100K positions, like
Yeah.
especially as a short because we can only make so much. Like if you long something with 100K and it like runs a couple 100%, but like. So Aton, I want to see Aton get some strength here, and everyone to get away from X Bio. That's my
All right. ATON is getting a little heat behind it. ATON.
Yeah, so Aton, the shift is kind of happening there right now. XBio is starting to become elevator watch again.
XBIO, yeah, looking kind of weak
That
here.
might be one to size if you're not sized on the comp. Because it had the reclaim right, now it's weak, and this shift is kind of happening. Like I said, XBio on elevator watch now. It's just get buried.
Rose don't like
Level
that.
12.
All right. Let's see.
Yeah,
NXL
12.
still. Man, NXL's going sideways off of 150.
Gave a little bit. It's kind of teaser though. What do you think?
Yeah, I should have really pulled out the shotgun on a AREB. I was planning on like sizing up a lot though. Like if that thing went up to 15-20, just
Yeah.
smacking and smacking and smacking
And
it.
it's only up 50% on the day too, so it's like
Right.
there's only so much meat. That's why I like XBio to scale it, because like it's still up 190%. Like this thing can end up at $6, $7, $8 today. If
Right.
things are bad, and that means that you'd make like 500K if you all in short, which I am. I went all in short on XBio. I mean, I didn't overcomplicate it. I'm not going to spend 5 days grinding this thing. I mean, and that's the philosophy most people are taking. Like, there's longs degenerately and $1 million in a long, like just swinging. Like, it's the same thing as a short. So, I'm looking for XBio bigger picture, like fade there, but might not get it. I've been calling the Warriors kind of trying to camp out there a little bit. So let's see. I want to see Aton.
All right. I'm in an elevator fig.
Fig.
Ticker fig. AREB, let me get the open price there, or the open
Had a little bit of a drop.
on 1034. Oh, within a minute. All right. Within a minute, AREB. So give me just a second here.
Okay. What do you think, Jose? What do you think about it all? What do you think, honey? Is XBio going to pay us? No. Yeah. So I'm scaling my stops because, I mean, this thing kind of wants to reclaim almost. It's still kind of grindy here. So I'm not going to give it too much wiggle room.
AREB should be opening up here. If a 5-minute halt here shortly, start looking to scale out of it and really start scaling back in if she curls back around.
Yeah. I was just saying, XBio, I'm scaling my stops a little bit on the funded. I just don't want to give it too much room in case it starts to get grindy here, but I do like it for a continued fade. Hopefully that was the dead cat bag holder trial there. 12 is interesting. I want to see it break down there sooner than later.
If we get a pop AREB, I may even smack it more. I want to get heavy on it.
Aton looks like that might just be a little sloppy pop there. It's getting a little rejection. It's just not good for XBIOS.
Here, you guys want to see the trade the pool account here? All right, here we go. AREB up just a little 10,000 right now on it. Let's see where we open up, and if it dumps down, I may start just profit taking a little bit on it. And a move higher, of course, I'm going to be scaling this.
Arab. Yeah.
Yep, AREB. Maybe a 10-minute halt. 10:30. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a 10-minute halt. 1044 then. It's going to be the open on AREB.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just pretty focused on XBio. Like things are kind of sleepy.
Poet was good.
Bill Ackman is red on the day.
Ain't going to be hard to beat him then. Well, maybe.
I mean, Bill Ackman's not full leverage $1 million, but he might be traded with $1 billion. So maybe each position's $1 million.
Exactly. So XBio, you're just monitoring against the highs there, like the 13. What are you working it against? Do you think?
Yeah, I got my stop set scaled like 13, above 13, and then above like 13.5 ish. I want to see 12 bust down sooner than later. I don't want the Warriors to congregate there. That looks up sometimes. Yeah, man. Besides that, everything's just sleepy fade, bro. ACXP, that cheap plenty play faded. NXL, sleepy fade. UPC gave it up early. AREB, pump and dump vibes. You're waiting on the halt there.
Yep.
It's that thing. Who knows in this market, man? Who knows? They might want to reclaim that and pump it up more.
Oh, I'm ready.
XBio, I'm ready for this thing to pay too. Pay Papa. As long as it's not your day, accept that. Take your loss. Live to trade another day.
Yep. NXL, yeah, slow, steady fader right now. We got 1 minute, 10:44, and ARAB's going to open up.
XBio is starting to get kind of elevator watchy. Added just a little bit. XBio. I'm funded.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm number 5 on the chart now. I'll take it, but they're still not including 20 grand on it. I should be number 4 then.
Yeah, I can't chase a flush here. I'm funded, so I'm kind of like sizing it right now, anticipating a drop. It's looking real good here, guys. XBio.
ARAB about to open up here. 8:20 is what you got, DGen James.
Yes.
Oh, you're getting it? XBIO?
Snap, crackle, drop, XBio. Yeah, I just sized it a little bit into that weakness. And I'm all in on the competition.
I would be so happy if we got number 1 and 2, man. You can have number 1. If you get XBIO, like $1 million trade there, I'm happy for you. Let's get these.
Yeah, it can't be $1 million, but it could be a couple $100K, you know, like the nature of shorting. So, let me see. Can I add here?
Oh my God.
What happened? AREB?
AREB opened up. I took half off at 797. I really want to smack this with more.
Aton grinding and QBio dumping. Yes. Come on.
If this thing gives a pop, guys, I mean, I'm going to hit it again.
Stuck with
Any
it.
pop up towards the
XBio, man. That was a bag holder audition. That over-exaggerated rebound, and then just look at that. Capitulate longs down.
Damn.
Scaling
Taking
out
another half off 750s. It's halting. Oh, it might be halting down again.
XBio?
ARAB. ARAB, I'm just focused on that pretty hard right here.
Oh, yeah, okay. XBio could start to get on elevator watch. If you're not sized in that thing, it really just confirmed the downtrend for us pretty much. I mean, it's going to be really hard to reclaim from here. I'm feeling good about that trade again. It was getting a little scary there, but it's starting to really confirm for us.
I only have 2,500 shares left, guys.
I want to see it back over 12 with strength.
I'm going to take it off 705. Up 106,000 on the day.
Rose, stop smacking the screen. What's that? You talking about funded or comp? You're just working the comp, right?
Yeah, at this point, I'm on the comp.
Okay. You got 50 shares left. What?
Oh, it's giving a pop though here. AREB, I'm gonna be hitting it again on a pop.
Which one?
AREB, I'm just gonna work
Oh.
backside pops.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's only up 30% now, so just keep that in mind. But it's definitely a junk ticker. I don't know if they had any news at all or what. XBio should be heavy from here. Just, don't get too invested in it, guys. It's a little choppy. Besides that one small, he should come out on top. Just locked in some profits there and reworking some still.
Right. Yeah, we've seen that ticker, like AREB, dude. That thing pumps up so often. Bob, you made 300 on UPC and Aton between 7 and 7:30. Now you're at the new job. Hey, making money all day. That's good.
Good stuff, man.
Are you working in eval or back over at CPro?
Yeah. XBio, the same philosophy as you, just hitting on pops and working. Looking for bigger picture fade there. It almost gave it to us, teased us a little bit. Sorry. Setting my stops in like thirds on this play when I'm tunneled, it really like helps me protect myself and manage risk. Yeah, looking for that dump here. Just add it a little bit more.
Yeah, XBIO is slowing down, right, in volume. We could see it. What's holding it up, though, What in the world is holding this thing up?
So you confirm no news? Let me see.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't.
Yeah.
Think or
They
swim,
reported earnings in August, and besides that, nothing, man. Yeah, just crazy, dude. This market, like, how do you go from $3 to $25 on no news? Like, what? That's how you create longs that like are using max leverage, throwing ignorant money at tops and just like expecting it to go higher. And it's like squirrely longing at its finest. Like this market, man. Like someone smashed that thing at 20 something dollars, just like with no news, up from 3 something dollars. Like,
Arab's almost giving everything back.
Yeah, careful there, man. Oh no. On the good side, yeah, 25% now. Yeah, quick pump and dump there. That was a good one for those who caught it. Like you said, it's like everyone knows that thing's a scam. So longs are extra cautious, shorts are slamming.
Yeah.
Yeah. XBio's still hanging around here.
NXL creeper, little creepy crawler.
Mm-hmm. Aton. Is Aton going to dump more now?
Yeah, I hit that 12, and I mean, their news was they're exploring tokenization of mesothelioma drug,
Hmm.
trading higher after the company announced an LOI to evaluate tokenization of single indication economics. So they're exploring. They're in explore mode.
Sounds about right. Exploratory and non-binding with no terms finalized. It's like as
No.
fluff as it can get.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
literally, the headline was just so concise. Like Weeble sums it up. XBio, I saw some sellers lined up at 12.5, guys. You might want to get involved with a tighter risk level on elevator watch here. Eventually, the Bulls are going to have to throw in the towel if MM say so. I mean, it's staying heavy here. It had its dead cat bounce. Um, you know, I called for this 12 level as key. We didn't want to see it hold for too long, right? So here we are again, knocking on 12's door. See if we get down there and stay down now.
Get down and stay down.
Aton trying to get some love, but it keeps getting failed as well. It's just this market is fly by night. You know, we partied the day and then we have the hangover the same day. That's been the theme. Wilds backside,
AREB halting up. AREB.
wild sleepy backside, down 10% today.
Yeah.
How's that thing looking? Wilds. Oh wow, I gave it up today.
XBIO looking like she's going to be starting to fade here soon.
Yeah, I'm looking for a big picture fade there. I sized it on the my funded and um, the comp.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it too.
I even get one more smack, anticipating a wash here.
Then ARAB gonna pull out the hammer on this again. I mean, slow scaling a pump on the comp is probably the right approach because you can size
Yeah,
so heavy.
exactly. Yeah, we've talked about like that big money strategy of just scaling pumps. That's dangerous when the small fish tries to do it because they blow their account. But like when we're a big boy with 1 million buying power, you can do that. Yeah.
And there have been probably big boys that blew up with that strategy too, with like
Oh yeah,
SPRB.
there is. Yep,
SPRB.
there is. Exactly. Nothing's fail proof. As long as we just manage our risk and do the numbers. It's like respect the math, right? Like you can't have a freaking blow up day. Like at a certain point, when you lose so much, it's just you got to learn how to cap it. Respect
Mhm.
that. Like we know how much we can make in a day, so what's realistic to lose in a day? Like every successful trader understands that and respects that. Like the minute you start ignoring that and say, "Well, this trade, oh, I got a feeling," that's when you go downhill. You create the bag for yourself to hold, dig that hole, right, Rose?
Yeah, DGen against 220s, ELBM, not bad right there. That's one to go like 100,000 shares on and on the comp, and because it's very tight.
You want to say something?
She's talkative this morning. Rose's always talking you up, isn't she? ACXP curling back around too a little bit, going green on the day. ECDA, little bit of a curl there. Yeah. ELBM was a good call against those 220s. NXL, just slow fade. She's certainly having trouble, NXL. I got support on that thing. I'll show you guys. NXL back down towards $1.20-ish. Yep. Down towards like $1.25, 20. So she could fade down there today. I could certainly see that happening in NXL. Fade said he'll be right back. AREB, of course, that one's halted up now. A lot of resistance at the 10. I'm going to be sizing that one on the competition because we just got to go heavy on this competition if I'm gonna be having a chance here. Got to go heavy. Was number 5 on the leaderboard, but I'm looking to, here we are, AREB. I'm looking to get a really large lead. I'm going to smack it again here. Let's see if she reclaims the open. That would be wild, AREB. AREB curling back up towards 9. Testing the 9 level out right now. Building a position on AREB. Starting to build a position here. We'll see how it reacts right here at this 9 level. Certainly a lot of longs in it from that 10. Large volume candle just shot straight up in this though. Just be mindful of AREB. This thing curling back up, perhaps sloppy seconds here. We'll see what it does against the highs. It almost feels like it's going to attempt to XBIO working out great. I'm going to size XBIO a little bit as well. And then AREB back up towards 10, back up towards the 10 highs. See what it does on the sloppy seconds. It almost feels like at this level we may get that push through 10. We'll see if it's a fake out breakout or not. Oh, it's halting up. We're halting up on AREB up towards 10 right now. What a crazy reclaim. Oh my God. You hardly ever see this. I'm fine on the comp because I'm just going to slow scale this thing. But AREB, oh my God, dude. 7. we dumped from 10 to 7 and then straight back up towards 10. Crazy reclaim. Oh, that's funny. See what it does around, like I got 15, 16, 17. See if it tries to get all the way up there. That would be nuts. Oh, nutso, nutso. Right now, I'm number 4 in the competition, but I'm looking to get a heavy lead from AREB. ELBM was a good alert, DGen James. The thing's off at 220 down to 198 right now. Just working great. ATON, super heavy there. Yeah, I'm going to see about working ATON too on the comp. That one's very heavy. And AREB, see what she's going to do. Spiking up through. It's probably going to open up above $10. And I'm going to flip around, see if anything else is going on out there. ECDA you were watching as well. Having trouble at 480. Emmanuel, yep, doing the daddy bus route. Gonna be late. Appreciate you, Emmanuel. Yeah, keep a strong mind. Mind's stronger than the emotions. You'll be good to go tomorrow. ACXP trying to hold the open as well. ACXP. XBIO looking heavy. Yeah, XBIO. Thinking what I'm going to do here. May just keep sizing into this thing. I'm running out of buying power on $1 million account. Isn't that wild? AREB going to open up over 10. Yeah, not surprising. Retesting that open. We should be opening up here. 5-minute halt anytime now. 10 minutes, which is what it's been. You know, it'll likely be 11:10 would be the open time if it doesn't open up here soon. AREB, the Wild Wiki West. My average is not very good on this thing, but I'm going to size it. I mean, gonna size it, which could hurt. Stop on this 12, 11. Setting a stop on ATON. What's going on, Mr. Fades?
XBio working a little bit.
Yeah. I'm working on the comp, that ATON and AREB. Not seeing much else.
Caught up in chat. What's been going on, guys? Green's getting greedy. Yeah.
So our max loss and drawdown on this comp's like $1 million. I mean, we have to lose a lot to hit that, right? I mean, we gotta.
Yeah. Definitely. See, XBio needs to stay heavy here. Take it all off and resmack it. Secure my profit here. Just don't want this thing to keep wicking around. Like, go ahead and give it up. Feels like it's big picture heavy, though. I mean, XBio.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just not letting it reclaim too much on my funded and securing some profits. Milking it. Yeah.
Yeah, outside of that, not.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just kind of sitting back in that one. Like, I've been tunneling a little bit on it, but it hasn't gone against me yet, so it's fine. Like, everything else is kind of, the volatilities came and went, it feels like, right? Let's see. Like, we had a lot of volatility this morning, now it's definitely slowing down.
Mm-hmm.
AREB. What's going on with AREB?
Yeah, it's retesting the highs out.
Yeah.
Straight up, straight
Yeah,
down, straight up.
I kind of had a feeling the fact that it wasn't up a ton on the day and it's such a, wiki ticker. Like, yeah, the Warriors. See, we could have longed that thing degenerately. Damn it, I called that. It's always 2020 hindsight, right? It's like, how are we going to long that ticker? You could have shorted it down at the 30% level and said, heck, I'm going to go long now. It's only up 30%. It's got room to push back up, Always hindsight.
I've been re-smacking it on that pop back up, but it's
you think you give a little bit back?
Yeah, I'm definitely giving some back here.
Yeah, that's what happened with XBio. I got too aggressive too soon in that reclaim. I gave it up in the comp. So now I'm just like a little below break even right now. So,
Gotcha.
They didn't let us trade until 9:30. If they unleashed the reins like this morning early, it would be interesting because there was a lot of volatility before bell.
Right.
Yeah, definitely slowed down. Poet was a good call there. That thing's working out.
I know. Wish I would have taken in the funded.
Are you liquid right now? What are you in?
In funded, I am, yeah. I'm just working XBIO and AREB on the comp.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just XBio and both.
Gotcha.
Comp.
Nice.
Like the more it churns here at this level, I become less of a fan of it. Though I do want to see it go ahead and give it up, but it's not like telling us to cover either, right? It's just slow, which is not such a bad thing. Like super slow after it's still up 170%. I mean, there's a lot of meat here, guys. Like this thing could offer, like they could offer and go to $5 at any point. I mean,
yeah,
you could see an elevator to 10s, 9s. I mean, there's meat here. I've been calling this thing all morning. It seems like the most fruitful play that we have in front of us right now. Let me see. Yeah, some of like that Koch from yesterday. Oh man, that thing's painful. That was such a good short. ZNB, GLTO is just kind of stuck. DFly. little bit of
Oh
pain
my
there.
God.
But it confirmed that we're on the right track, right? It's like we were right there, just like how we missed that offering on that other cheap play. We were right there on DFly as well.
Arab opened.
Maybe we just need to get a little bit more aggressive a little earlier with the hangovers, like smaller size, but like get involved earlier in the day. 'Cause sometimes at Bell, those hangovers will just fall off.
Smacking it. Arab halting down. Arab halting down. Dang it. I tried to hit 35 more thousand shares at buying power issues.
Dang it, dude.
With $1 million account. Buying power.
I know I'm all in on XBio, so I can't. I'm like, do I cover everything and hop ship? I probably should have. I don't know, man. That's tricky. You just hit new high. I don't like that. I don't like that A-Red. That thing's sketchy. Just gonna stick to my bread and butter, XBio. If it ain't broke, don't fix it for XBio. Yeah, it's weird. It's like everything was so volatile, and now it's just got sleepy. It feels like all of a sudden, right?
Yeah. Yep. Certainly so.
Everyone just logged off.
NXL's been fading. That's at $1.50. UPC's climbing all the way back up, dude. UPC's at highs on the day, but a lot of resistance overhead.
Oh,
Pre-market resistance.
What'd that TMQ plate do? Is it still pumping new highs? Actually, it's kind of heavy right now. TMQ. Interesting, guys. TMQ looks. I've been saying it's a sketchy one, but keep an eye on it. If it sells off a little bit more, it might get interesting. I don't want to force it, but something could present itself there.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, the bread and butter was DFly. Poet was good. DVLT ended up being all right. XBIOs, like we just, like you said, the offering is just inevitable. It almost feels. Why are they not going to offering this thing up here with no news? And it's just going sideways right here.
Yeah, it's like you just can't tunnel too much and get too aggressive. You'll get stopped out. But like big picture fade there feels right. Shit, dude, besides that, I'm just seeing nothing else is really screaming at me. We're missing. What are you guys trading right now? Let me get caught up on chat. TMQ is starting to look interesting, man. I don't know. Is it a no touch graph?
The metal play. Oh, a sleepy little fade right there. Yeah, I mean, look, the chart's really good. You got really nice risk here off of like 690. And
is it time to stab a little bit? Is the fade starting there? It's just though there's a lot of support that's built up here in like 6.65, so I don't know how quick it's going to give all that up after holding for multiple days, right? With that news.
Yeah, 6.5 looks real strong support wise.
Just keep an eye on it, but nothing, not too eager. All right, let me see, guys. Perfect fall. Peaked at 900, gave back 600.
Oh, dang. Did you size down a bit like we spoke about the other day?
And that's the problem. When you're on the eval, you're ambitious, right? And you're always thinking about that target, and you can give gains back so quick. Dude, I've done that. I've done that so many days, been up like $1,000 or more and ended up only up like a couple hundred or something just because I'm so ambitious and you want to keep pushing it. You overstay your welcome, right? Like you have that setup that's working, but you're a little too convicted and then it goes against you. Yeah. I think it's sometimes hard to follow because you can't set that like cutoff limit. But mentally, if you can say to yourself, "I'm never going to give back more than like a half or a third of my gains on the day." Maybe on the eval, be a little more aggressive, right? Like maybe I won't give back half or more, but on the funded, definitely protect those profits you have. Like knowing when to walk away and stay successful. Like there's a reason why we talk about that every single day. Because you're probably like feel a little tilted now, right? After giving back 600, even though you're up on the day, it's like the psychology is so interesting, right? Just our natural emotions and feelings.
Yeah.
But don't beat yourself up. You still made that money. You still pulled money out of the market today. So don't beat yourself up too much. But it's good to call yourself out and stay aware. That's what we're here for. And it really helps just letting it out and talking about it. Like as me and Kevin have seen, like together, power in numbers, like us holding each other accountable day in and day out here. Like we've seen a lot of success lately. I'm proud of us.
Yeah, I think speaking things out really does help because it kind of brings it to life. The stream. I mean, you found it helpful being on stream and talking things out. Like talking it out helps you stay accountable too.
It really does. It's like when I have those red days, I feel myself gaining more control on red days now. Like I used to just like fall off the rocker, like I'm sure most traders do, especially the new ones. That psychology and the tilt is just so real, and like you swear you have the golden shovel that'll just dig it all out, and like it's bad.
Yeah, it can get bad for sure.
XBio, there's a big seller at 11.6, guys. That's interesting. Let's see. Are they going to start?
I'm in heavy on the comp, but stops like over 12 for me. I just wanted to stay heavy here.
I might scale a little bit more here, and then like set that tight stop like I talked about, because it's gotten tighter in this range, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's been 12 now is a good risk level, like, and that's even giving it some room. So I'm scaling it a little bit and bringing my stop down.
I've kind of enjoyed being on the comp and the funded because it's like I'm just kind of trading the comp until I really see a good setup that the guts like, okay,
That's how I feel about the eval too. I love that process because like you scratch that urge and that itch, but like when we know when we know,
Right. We know when the setup's there, the real setup to get involved.
And then we take it with small size and it's sweat free essentially at that point because like we know the numbers, right? We know the data. Okay, I don't see that book order anymore. Oh no, there's one at 4.9. Let's see what's going to happen here. Yeah, I mean a good risk level is even 12.50. Like I don't want to give it room all the way back to 13 at this point. Tighter stop, tighter risk. I can reassess it for bigger picture, but I really don't want it to keep churning around and get back above 12, like I've talked about.
Yeah, that's my stop on it too. AREB is going to open up probably in a minute, guys. XBIO stop for me is over 12, and not much else going on outside of that.
Right. But again, like we also preach, you don't have to be in 10 setups. If you find a good one and you're working it well, you can hit your queue on the day on one ticker, a couple trades, or even one trade. Don't force it if it's not there.
Yeah, like I would like another trade on the funded, but I'm not really seeing the setup, so a little shy queue, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
Let the trades find you, essentially.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing XBIO is held up like that.
Yeah. It had an interesting reclaim there, but it was kind of felt like that bag holder audition that came true.
Mm-hmm.
So now, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of resistance at 12.50. That should stay good for us. I mean, there's a possibility they wake it one more time, 12.50, but I don't think anything more than that's coming. I'd be genuinely surprised. Starting to feel heavier here, like possibly elevator watch though. Let's see.
Man, somebody's got a clear lead. 322,000. Somebody's up right now.
Mm.
I'm number 4, but
Imagine XBio does an offering right now, and we both just print 500K immediately. Like,
oh,
well,
Arab just opened up.
oh my god! Wow, look at that, dude! You took that in the short, didn't you? Nice. Oh my god! I wish I was involved. Careful there, though. It might reclaim nines, mid nines. Seemed like a mid nine reclaim potential, maybe 10 tap, or they just wash it from here.
Come to Papa. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let me take a little piece off down there.
Sure.
AREB.
It's been lurking on XBio like a hawk today, really.
Any pops here, I'm going to hit against that halt up high on AREB, by the way.
Who was that? Just lurking in the background.
Lurking. Like we do with these tickers.
Yeah, I'm lurking on XBio so hard today. Been stalking this thing.
Yeah, you've been on it. You've been on it like a hawk. Oh my.
See what it's gonna do here. Stops are set. I'm just chilling. No emotions.
Yeah, 950s would be sweet on AREB, popping back up there. It's trying to.
TMQ sleepy heavy. It's just there's just been so much support and grind there, but it's starting to get real interesting. It also like triple topped at 7.5. XBio elevator alert, maybe.
That would be awesome.
Ding ding. All aboard. Going down to floor 2.
From floor 100. AREB, let's do that too. XBio, AREB, come on. Be good little birdies. Oh, there we go. Arab. Yup.
Nice. Yeah, I came for that like mid 9 kind of almost gap fill and then washed down.
Let's get a halt down or something going here.
XBio feels so heavy, guys.
I know.
The bulls have got to be just like I think I'm gonna smack it a little bit more. They're funded before I have to chase it, and I can't. Right? You know, that's the problem. Like, kind of have to adapt to that volatility rule because, like, essentially, I would like kind of add it onto a knife, but like once it knifes so much, I can't keep getting involved. So
I pinned it for you, the competition leaderboard. Oh, yeah, that's the leaderboard. Right now, I'm number 4, but I'm looking. I mean, dude, that Jorge is up $322,000 on his. God,
what was he a longer?
I don't know. I mean,
I guess he was shorted like Aton with max leverage and made that. That was
yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm I've been going heavy, but not that heavy. God.
If XBio, if the thesis just works there, I'll end up a couple $100K on the day. And a nice trade in the funded. It's just less is more for me. I'm just working smart here, in my opinion. Like, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm seeing a good A plus setup still. Like, this thing's still A plus. It's looking like elevators coming, guys. Come on, up 160%. A bunch of meat. No news that we know of. You know, just the squirrely bulls buying this thing up to eventually capitulate.
Yeah, if we elevator down, dudes, we're gonna be working this comp XBIO. Come on.
Yeah, because Arab, you just cleaned up again on that some.
Yeah, I'm heavy there and still heavy,
Okay.
but looking to get heavier on a pop. I like the high we put in 1050s. I think that's incredible risk. It's gonna be hard to get through.
Bio 11's touching. Seeing some sell orders going through here, guys.
Oh, XBIO. Let's go, XBIO. Come on.
The price target was like $9 ish, just off initial glance. But this thing came from 4 on no news. So why is my price target not $4?
Right. Yeah.
I mean, because I'm not that greedy, but you know, in reality, that's the reward potential, like back to $4. And we've seen those moves happen. Like Kevin just pulled up a chart. Usually they'll be quicker when they're going to give it all up. They'll pump and they'll dump quickly. But
Yeah.
you know, the chart looks so juicy right now. Like, don't fake us out. Here we go. Let's go, dude.
Taking some off on Arab and then XBIO.
XBIO under 11. Washy Wonder. Wash, rinse, lather, repeat.
Your brother's up 9,000 on the comp. Good job. Good job. Do we need to log in somewhere to appear on the? So the list is a little lagging. It's lagging behind a little bit. But hang on one second. AREB, I may just take it off, revisit it. Trying to get another little pump here. Okay. Yeah, I can look him up and see where he's at on the list. Yeah, let me do that. Look him up. Yeah, I see that. Up 7,500.
Who's the king right now? They're up like 300K.
Jorge Armando Moreno. $322,000 they're up right now.
Okay. Well, shit. I've just now got back to even, unfortunately.
Yeah, this is
I had to sit through that whole reclaim of my competition because I just went all in too soon. And that's a prime example, you know, like that's what happens when you scale in too soon, guys. No matter how big the account, like you can never just shoot all your bullets at once. Because, like, what are you gonna do if you miss? You're dead.
right. Yeah. When you throw, you just take the RPG and go like Rambo style.
You're in the Wild Wicked West, and like you shoot all your bullets at one time. If you don't hit them that time, man, like they're shooting back at you, and what are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Come on, XBIO, be a good
Come on,
little
offering,
girl.
offer it. What are you at on the day as we speak? Unrealized.
135.
Okay.
Where you at? It's not
I'm break even, but I'm up a couple hundred on my new eval for the day, so I'm.
Oh, good.
That's real money. So this is play money. So.
Good.
I scaled this thing on my funded too. So I'm just adjusting my levels here, adjusting my risk. In case they wick us out and reclaim.
Not beautiful a pump Let them run it up, up, up to the sun. This is pretty much how this competition,
Have
the
fun.
competition theme song. That's what I'm gonna be
Dancing
doing.
your way back down till the day is done.
That's probably the karaoke song for next
Fade
Wednesday.
away, Fluke.
Yeah, I think so. Perfect call you in here. What's your vote? I think that's a good one.
That's
For
the
the
fade
karaoke.
away funk. Yeah, man, the songs are so good. We need like a CD, or gonna make a whole album at this point. Don't you bully your sister,
Pretty much is a whole album.
right? With all of them collectively.
All right,
Dude, fade away
AREB
funk.
pulling on down, coming back to reality.
I mean, X-Bio, you can just do this the rest of the day, and I'll be fine and dandy. Like,
Yeah,
I
just
don't need anything else. I'll just chill on this thing.
all you
Not-
need is that one.
Yeah, I'm not gonna neglect the scanner. Yeah,
I'm such a degenerate, dude. Like, dude. Jorge's up $400,000. Who is this Jorge? And what have you traded?
Arab is interesting. I don't know, man. I think it's such a wiki ticker. I don't think I want to get involved in the fun, dude. I'm just gonna chill out on the sweat-free short here.
XBIO. I'm gonna adjust my like stop down like towards just a little under 12 and really kick back there.
Yeah, I would just go bigger picture on the like. I'm not really even worried on the competition. On my funded though, I'm managing my stops and making sure I secure the profit. But I'm really just swinging for the fences on that bigger picture fade here. Is it going to liquidate us at 350? I guess so. But I might even like overnight some plays and try to get aggressive on the 1 mil. Because it's a whole 5-day rolling period, right? So people are going to end up making like millions. Like I've 100 or what doubled my account one day. So like the math, people can do that. So winner might end up making like 3-4 million, or maybe even more. Which is a lot of work, right? It's like
I know it's kind
but
of like
you do get like the 5. It's like, is it worth the squeeze? Like, dang, if I would have done that on an eval or a funded account, like
I'm taking ARAB off. I
that's
know.
why my
I'm-
philosophy is just big picture swing, all in leverage. Honestly, like take a big leverage trade each day and hopefully you get lucky. Like that's kind of my philosophy.
It's a good philosophy. Yeah, because it's kind of sweaty, for what it is.
Yeah, I'm trying to print like.
I
Real
just
money.
want that trophy, man. Yeah, exactly. I mean,
It would be cool though, and it's fun. It's fun.
it is fun.
But I think we're doing the right thing. Instead of trading on an eval and a funded, we're trading on the competition and the funded, right? Like kind of similar thing.
Yeah. I'm happy because I'm green on both today.
Good work.
So let me look at who wins what because I want to see
Yeah.
like
That's interesting. Yeah.
Oh.
Good point.
I want to. Wait, they didn't probably count one of my trades. Oh my god, did they not
Oh
count?
my god, did they?
No.
No.
Oh, I'm still in. Never mind. Everything's counted.
Okay.
I'm up 135,000, but 25 of that's unrealized. Okay, let me see. I just want to see what, like, if, for instance, like, does 10th place get something? It's a very sweaty
Yeah.
competition. It'd be nice for.
5 days, right? That's a lot of invested time. Like, when people are spending a lot of time grinding these evals with just a little bit of money at stake, like, yeah, it becomes like, how much do you want to sink into this?
Yeah.
It's fun though. I think we're on the right path, like selectively trading on the funded and then like just tinkering with the competition, having fun. It's a good approach.
The finals are October 13th. So we got today, tomorrow, Friday, and then Monday. Is that right? Will be the finale.
Okay.
Okay, so the prize is Man, it doesn't say. Okay, the rules are the 10-cent move. You still need that. 30 seconds trade duration, so you still need that as well. So it says 100,000 funded, 50K funded, 25 funded, but it doesn't say like how many. I remember seeing 2 people get the 100,000 funded. I wonder how many get the 50, because I'd even be happy with just getting the 50.
Yeah, I mean that's like $285 of value. So I mean, 100. I'm guessing the 100K is at least like what 500, maybe like 4 something.
It's probably like 4, like 2 people get the 100, and then like maybe 4 get the.
XBio is just working out. That's just turned into our new sweet honey hole. Key level here 1050. Look out below, guys. 1050. Let me come back and see. So 10. The next support 950 10 range. See how that's going to react. If it blows under 9, guys, yeah, this thing might be headed down. Let's see. Stick with it. Don't get over convicted.
Okay, here we are. I got it. I'll pull it up so everybody can see.
XBio almost starting to form like a algorithmic downtrend. UPC just snapped. UPC, interesting.
It's the top 2 get the 100,000. 3 people below that get 50,000, and then 5 people under that get 25,000.
What are your thoughts on UPC right now, bro? It's like, I don't know. I think it might be trappy for us. It's a big reclaim. Are you showing?
Yeah, I was showing it was 200,000s and then 350,000s.
Okay. Okay. So top 5 get like a juicy reward. That's cool. I mean, a lot of people are going to blow up, guys. And, a lot of people are going to blow up. Okay, so now I'm back even, which is better than most because a lot of people already blew up. I mean, 1 or 2 good trades, and you make 100, 200K quickly on these accounts.
Yeah, so I just got XBIO for the fade. I mean, I'm up pretty good there, 30,000 shares.
It's just turned into a sweet fade.
Just gonna kick back with that, but I think that's it, man. I think that's pretty much it for the day for me. Let me see if anything else is popping up.
Yeah, I'm just slowly
UPC, yeah,
and working out.
RXRX spiking up. 620 just tapped on RXRX. Damn, dude, that's a ton of resistance up there too. 620. Here's the daily RXRX, guys. 620's a lot resistance. Just tapping that. Pharmaceutical play. 27 bucks. Not up too much on the day, but a lot of resistance up there. Just be mindful of it. Pally, I see on the scans. She waking up.
God, not again. Up 70K, Degenerate James. Good work, James. How's it feel?
James getting his degeneracy out.
What have you been trading? Didn't see much out there. DeFi kind of creeping back up a little bit, bro. Is it a sloppy time? It's almost 50% of that level. That's kind of interesting there. Only issue is it's slower and getting that 10 cents. It's already 12, right? But it snapped a big level, man. This could be entry zone.
Yeah, against what level you think?
1.5, 1.4 even. Could even do 1.4. I mean, if it reclaims all the way back up, here it comes, man. Is this present an entry here off like 1.45? 145 ish looks good. It's at 132 right now.
Yeah, 145 does look good.
A little bit because the 10 cents can come back quick.
It bounced right off of that 120.
Yeah.
That's aggravating. I mean, that would have
What does
been.
the spreads look like here? I might stab a little bit on the funded and just let it breathe.
Yeah,
Maybe.
like this one to just kind of set and go about your day.
That's a big order at 1.4, dude.
Okay.
I like it off. I'm gonna take a little bit.
Well, even off of 1.4.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my stop like 1.42, or maybe break up half at like 1.41, half at like 1.46, kind of like that.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I'm tempted against the open, against that 142, that 140, and the head and shoulders on the chart there.
That's
a
like
lot.
we missed the trade, but we waited for our kind of golden entry. Because I mean, man, if it reclaims back to 1.4, 1.5 and holds, that'd be disgusting. Like what after that sell off, right?
Yep, here's the chart.
And then the 10 cents back to 1.2 can come quick for the fade before 350 to get our secure our bag there. So I smacked it. I got 600 shares.
Okay.
Stop loss 241 and 246, 3 and 3. XBio. So I secured XBio and then I resmacked it with leftover size. And I'm probably just gonna kind of kick back from there, bro. I mean, good day.
Yep.
Good work today.
I think so. Let's take a poll real quick. Are you green on the day? Yay or nay? Yeah, it was a pretty solid day, man. I mean, I funded, stayed disciplined, took good setups, and comp, went full degeneracy and up 140,000 right now. So,
yeah, I'm proud of us.
Doing good. We're doing
Keep it up.
good.
We never made it. We're always making it. But making it together is a better path, seems like.
Absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, and I'm just going to kick back on the competition with XBIO. If we get a heavy fade there or an offering, like that's going to really.
We're in this together, dude. We're in the same picture, but you got like a 100K jump on me because you got a better entry. So we're both in XBio, just looking for bigger picture fade.
Yeah. Bigger picture fade there. Outside of that, I don't know. This comp's going to be sweaty, dude. It's going to be sweaty.
Yeah.
People are going to be working it like all day. And I got a family. I can't be sitting here all day.
Yeah, you got to see what the risk reward is worth. Like, there's a lot of people in it. Like, well, odds of you getting top 5 are pretty low. So you just have to swing for the fence and have some fun with it and not overinvest. And, we're sniping good trades on our funded and staying on process. So, yeah, all is good, bro.
All is well. All right, let's see. How did you guys do? Some green, some red. Yeah, it's about being patient with the better setup. So like even this, I'm very heavy on it. So if it keeps working out, I'm good. If not, just I can't. But just having that uncommon patience.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good work. We'll do it again tomorrow. Get that green train going.
Keep it rolling, guys.
Keep it rolling, guys. Email me Avery Day Trading. Guys, if you have any questions at all. But good work today, guys. And we'll see you all first thing in the morning.